Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tutor lead scoring with Zoho, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Tutor lead scoring with Zoho, begin by navigating to the Zoho website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed with your registration. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your information, look for the Create Account button and click on it. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Check your inbox for the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, log into your new Zoho account with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Apps section in the dashboard. In the Apps section, search for and select Tutor Lead Scoring. You will be prompted to set up your lead scoring criteria. Define your scoring parameters according to your tutoring business needs. Once you've set your parameters, save the changes to finalize your setup. With your lead scoring established, you can now start tracking your leads effectively. Explore additional features within the Tutor Lead Scoring app to enhance your experience. Review your lead scores regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and set up Tutor Lead Scoring with Zoho. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.